Hi. I would like to introduce you our MinoSharp. Okay? This is a very simple, very easy to sharpen your knife. Okay? Firstly, okay, I would like to explain you. This is a two-wheel. White is coarse, pink is medium. Okay? So white first, then pink. Okay? So please put the water. Okay? Because water is cleaning your wheel during your sharpening the knife. Also, you can avoid overheating the blade during your sharpening the knife. Okay? So just like that. Okay? I always using this knife for my demonstration. Okay? So I would like to test with a good condition or not by paper. Okay? So just like that. This is just for paper. So I have no problem, just like that. Okay? But this is my demonstration. So I must be better to destroy the blade, just like that. So I have no more chance to cutting the paper. Like that. Okay? So please, okay? They are very small wheel, but they are very big power. So please keep just like this. Just for keeping the gently like this. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I like very much lucky 7. So next is pink color, another 7 stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Okay? So I can sharpen this. Very, very easy. So this is my MinoSharp. After I introduce this one, okay, this is mainly for Japanese knife. So a lot of the European people asked me, why you are only producing for Japanese knife? We are European. European knife is much bigger, thicker. So they are complaining to me so much. So I developed 4 times bigger, white and pink, exactly same. So this is not only for Japanese knife, also European knife, also available. So we have one more 3. This is a 3-wheel. Okay? Can you see? Coarse, medium, and super fine. Same as stone. Okay? So like this, exactly same. Same as stone.